Alright, first what you want to do is to go to sites.google.com. Within the new Google Sites there are a lot of templates that you can use, and you can just scroll around, check out the different templates, choose one if you so desire, and you can take a look at what they look like. Different templates have different features. I like to, though, just always start on a new site. So that's the plus in the upper left-hand corner. And once you choose that, you can take a look at your blank site. And I'm going to show you a few of the features. First thing you want to do is to give your site a title. I'm going to choose the Incredible Octopus. And this you can move around, you can make it bold, you can change the font. I'll show you a little bit about that later, but one thing that you can do is you can choose a background image by searching, and these are all copyright-free images that come up. So I'm just going to choose one that I like. It adjusts it for readability, and then I'm going to start adding some pages. Pages are the main part of your site. This is where all the information will go. And so I'm going to start my first page with facts about octopus, and you notice that the page header, the photo of the page header stays the same. If you want to add text, you just double click down in the main section and you can just start typing away, adding multiple facts about the octopus. And you'll also notice that you can add multiple other things as well just by clicking or tapping down in the main section. You can add photos, which I'm just doing a quick Google image search within Google Sites, and this will put it, whichever one you choose, it will put it in the section where you previously clicked. You can add multiple photos at the same time. I've just added one. Alright, so now you also notice the page goes into the navigation automatically. So now I have two things. I've got my home and I've got my first page called Facts. Within my home page, I'll want to add some form of a introduction. And then if I want to change the style of my font, I can just change it to a heading. I can make it centered. I could change the style of that text section to bring it out. I can also at any time change the theme of the site. This will change the color scheme, but it'll also change the font as well. And then once you have it the way you like, you can just continue adding more pages depending on the research that you are doing. And then after you've added the pages, you can rearrange just by dragging and dropping them. You can also create subpages this way. So if I wanted different subpages of facts, I can just drop it into that page, and it then becomes a subpage. There's also a lot of other features that you may or may not want to use. You can explore those. Everything is quite easy to add. It's all movable just by dragging and dropping it where you'd like it. And if you don't want it, you can always just get rid of it by clicking on the trash bin. And then when you want to take a look at what it looks like, you're just going to click on the preview menu. It previews it in a web base first, but then you can also shift it to see what it would look like on a phone. And then you can always switch it back to previewing it in a web browser on a computer or a laptop. Click around, make sure your navigation is all there. And then when you're done, you just click on the X. That will bring you back to the editing mode. If you want other people to be able to edit your site, you can invite them to be an editor on your site. And then when you're done, you can click Publish. You're able to give it a unique URL. I'm going to call mine Incredible Octopus. And then once it approves the name, it has to be unique. It can't be used. And you just click on Publish, and then you have the URL of your site.